So good morning guys, good morning people. Wow, parang mali yung balita. Today is a beautiful day guys. Today is our day off. So we gonna go out somewhere guys. We gonna go activity. So according to the weather kasi uulan, pero hindi naman umulan. Kumukalimlim lang sa other places. But dito sa area namin at the moment, ganito ang maaraw. But I decide to go swimming guys to make relax. So let's go there. So magstay tayo ng 5 hours doon. Just make it our day beautiful. So I'm waiting my bus guys. So I'm here in the bus station. Here beside in the church in San Cristobal. And then we will see tomorrow again kung saan tayo pupunta. And then next week I'm planning to go Hallstatt guys. Kasi next week ay mayroon doon siyang procession daw doon, nakita ko sa Facebook, kaya ay tamang tama timing na di off natin next week sa exact date na nilagay nila doon sa Facebook page nila. So we will see guys, samahan nyo ako next week, punta tayo doon. Sana maganda ang weather, sana laki tayo next week at maganda ang weather para masaya, di ba? So di ba, oh, ganda ng sunshine. I love you sunshine. So like that. So we are now in the bus guys. Oh, ganda ng weather. Sana manatiling maganda para makapag outdoor activity tayo. It's my surrounding here. It's full of nature and green. And as usual guys, dalawa lang kaming pasahero, pangatlo yung driver. Siya particular kasi panghi lang ang pasahero dito. All is green around here. Mayaman kami sa green. So, malabumbong at Sara kami. Sa Inday, Sara is green. Color green around here. So after the bus ride guys, we are here in the train station going to San Polten guys. So waiting tayo ng 3 minutes and then the train coming. But parang iba yung train ngayon ang mukha. So ito na nga. So guys, here we are now. So we will see. So here we are guys in Agua City, San Polten. So I think it's open guys. So kasi nakalagay naman sa internet is open. Then we will see. So last time we've been here, yung mga puno wala pang dahon. Ngayon it's full na of dahon guys. So beautiful na. So let's go inside. Here is the view outside. This is also hotel and restaurant. So we're gonna go across here. guys kung makapasok tayo. Okay. So this is Saiting Hotel. In Sampol din, just 5 minutes to walk from train station, guys. So right, it's open. So we go. So makapag-swimming tayo, guys. Okay. 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 So we can go swimming. So I see, you see, may nagsiswimming na dyan. So today we are relaxing in the swim bad, guys. So dito tayo magre-relax. And then we will see. Pwede dito kombi, guys. Sauna at saka swimming. Pero hindi tayo magsasauna. So here we are. Doon tayo sa pinakadulo. So maganda kasi hindi matao ngayon, guys. So since na hindi matao masyado. Alright, here we are. So dahil mataba na tayo, guys, kailangan natin takpan. Ito yung suot natin, guys. So guys, here we are. So walang yung whirlpool, guys, walang tubig. So nag-cleaning yata. So ayan, konti lang ang tao. So tayo na dito. Magre-relax lang tayo dito, guys. And then doon yung sport party doon. So let's go there. So dito na lang tayo, indoor activity. So, okay guys, solong-solo, we just have fun here. Yan ang gusto ko, walang tao, yung akin lang lahat. So, atin lahat dito na area, guys, kasi yung mga younger people is over there, is jump. They are enjoying jumping. So, I don't go in the other side, guys, because I love to stay here, around here, because I'm alone here. Natin mag-andar ko, guys, dito. The other one is friendly, guys. She's talking to me. She's making exercise. So the other one, see, over there is the jump area. So you can jump. There is the jump area. So we can go also over there. Later we can go and jump. Can go there and jump. It's here. So let's go. very good, guys, kasi not quite much people, only few people around here swimming. workflow is not working. So maybe the fix the guys is already fixing, or maybe they're starting. So not yet fixed. Wait tayo na umandar yung bubbles at saka yung dito.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
iba naman yung aanggal. So, we're gonna move to the other area. Okay? Done! So, we're going to the other area, guys. So, another area. So, ang mga karagwang na malhin man diri nga dito man naglas pikas oy. No. Padatli na lang ta. So guys, done swimming. And we are going somewhere to look around in the city. Oy, shopping. Okay. So, look at the view. There's ito yung swimming pool, guys. So, hindi tayo nag-i-slide. So, we going around in the center and we go shopping.